Good evening to everyone. My name is Mahendra Singh Baghel, and today's my topic is stop worrying and living happily. So, what do you mean by stop worrying and living happily means? Most of the time, we people always thinks what would be the next step rather than focusing on the current situation or current step, or we can say if something happened with us, if or something happened with us, or there a future something with something happened with, and that in negative way, then we analyze that event or that things in too much negative way. Means this can't, it can't, and this couldn't be happen even. And we our mind thinking, our mind analyzes more negative things whatever the result it would be, and we go beyond even below that, rather than we are thinking about positive, we will thinking about positive things. So living, so first of the things, how can we start to less worrying. I think, as per my view, first of all, we have to focus on the things which are we are doing currently. So don't think too much about the things, what's going on in your home, what would be the what would be the suppose, like if you, what would be the result of the things which we are doing. But we have to focus the thing which we are doing right now, and we are trying, and we will try to do the try to do. So the things which you are doing, you have to get best result from that. So as per my view, and be mostly thinking about two scenarios. If either we are thinking about past, or we are thinking about future. So rather than cutting both the thing, both the tense, means cutting the your thought on both past and future. You have to focus on present. Suppose if you we all come here right now to learn the English, learn to speak in English in a fluent way. But most of the time, we are thinking what happened if sir will call any one of us and told and tell, well, you have to give the 5 minute speech or 2 minute speech. And we are thinking, oh, if I will go there, if I will not able to talk and could talk proper way, or we not able to construct the sentence properly, and everyone, I think everyone will laugh on us, or everyone thinking, oh, he or she didn't know, doesn't know even this one. So we are constantly thinking and this thinking make a loop, and we think we are generating more or more negative thought regarding on that particular event or particular thing. So what we thinking right now? Okay, everybody, because everyone come here, and everybody want to learn English or speak English. If any one of us know better, then if because we come here because everyone want to learn. Nobody is perfect. Okay, someone is little better, somebody little knowledgeable you than you, or it will be little bit less, but some more, some we are on equal page, on equal page. So don't worry about, I think, don't think too much about that. What will be happen if I will sir will call me and on a stage. Okay, that's happen. Even I am also think, I was also think, if sir will call me, and what I will tell to, I will tell you in front of you guys. But I try, I I I told myself, why you come here? If you really want to learn something, you have to go to the stage. If you not go to stage right now, then when it will become? Suppose if you will not learn here, then what is the next? And if you join somewhere some other classes or somewhere else, you have to face same kind of things or same problem or same situation. So rather than thinking too much about anything, or that we call analysis or paralysis, then just go and tell, that much I know. And if something will go wrong, then sir will tell you have to improve this thing or that thing. Or also encourage you did this one very well, very well, very well manner. So don't think about too much and live happily. Okay, let's see what will happen. Whatever will happen, it will be good for you, me, and everyone. So don't think about too much. Each and everything happen because the thing need to happen that time. And I'm telling you guys, on my experience right now, the things which you are feeling, oh, this is happen only with me. But later of, after some time, if you connect your dots, then you will realize that time, okay, that thing was happened because of that thing I am here, or I am able to do the things which I am doing right now. So don't think too much about future, past. Just live in the present. It's I'm telling you, it's too easy in the world of, it's not too easy to live in the present in the world of social media, in the world of social media, because everyone's selling your dream. If you do this, you will be like this. If you do this, you will be like this. If you are here, you are not doing anything in life. So they are saying by different channel, by different social media platform. So you realize everybody selling or something. You have to decide whether you want to go there or you want to live here, because nobody make you happy uh, till nobody will make you happy. It's self realization. If you want happy, we can happy right now. If you don't want, you will never. If you are start changing the things, we will always changing the things, and we are feeling every time we don't have enough in everything and anything of our life. So whatever we have right now, we have to focus on that. Let's leave it. जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. So that's my view on less worrying and stop worrying and start living. Thank you so much to listening me patiently. Thank you.